What are some of the easy cake recipes? For dessert, everyone likes something rich and delicious to eat. Ice cream, fruit dishes and cakes are among the favorite dishes for dessert. If you're fond of baking, you'll enjoy making a cake that comes with a simple procedure. Furthermore, you will enjoy the convenience of preparing a meal for dessert that takes a few minutes. Such an easy cake recipe will suit your busy schedule. Making a nutritious and simple recipe is not difficult to do. Here are some of the best cake recipes that you can easily prepare, and in just a few minutes. Let's start, and forget to subscribe to a channel.
Easy white cake recipe.
This wonderful recipe and delicious cream is ideal for busy mothers to work because the recipe requires only half an hour to cook.
Ingredients. Directione.
Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, prepare the pan by coating it with oil and flour. Next, use a bowl to cream the sugar and the butter. Add in the eggs and pour in the vanilla extract. Slowly add the baking powder and flour to the mixture. Lastly, add in the milk and continue to mix thoroughly. Transfer the batter into the greased baking pan. Bake the mixture for 30 minutes and let the cake cool for a few minutes before serving. Pumpkin cheesecake recipe. Your kids will fall in love with this pumpkin cheesecake recipe that is very easy to prepare and cook. You can serve this for dessert or during tea time, along with a nice cold fruit juice. Cream cheese, 16 ounces white sugar, half cup vanilla extract, half teaspoon vanilla extract, large eggs, 2 pieces prepared graham cracker crust, 9-inch in size pumpkin puree, half cup ground cinnamon, half teaspoon ground cloves and nutmeg, frozen whipped topping, half cup. Start by preheating the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, mix the sugar, vanilla and cream cheese. Whisk the mixture until light and smooth. Add in the eggs slowly, one at a time. Take 1 cup of the batter and pour it into the bottom portion of the crust. Afterward, add in the pumpkin and the spices into the batter and combine well. Spread the mixture over the batter and in the crust. Bake the cake for a maximum of 40 minutes. Once the center portion of the cake is nearly set, let the cake cool for a few minutes before placing inside the refrigerator. Refrigerate the cake overnight. Then, top the cake with whipped cream before serving.